Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'll talk about how to reach from Don Mueang Airport in Bangkok to Pattaya. So a lot of people who travel from India or the rest of the world come to Bangkok and then they want to travel to Pattaya because there is no airport in Pattaya. That is a well-known fact. And if you see most of the airlines, whether it's from flying from Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Gujarat, majority of the cheap airlines, when I say cheap airlines in the sense, the low-cost airlines fly to Don Mueang Airport and not Suvarnabhumi Airport. So when I say low-cost airlines, it's either AirAsia, where you don't get the baggage free of cost. Only the hand baggage is free of cost. The check-in baggage you will have to buy separately. But when the flights which go to Bangkok are more premium flights, and you have this check-in baggage option. So when a lot of people ping me saying how to reach from Don Mueang Airport to Pattaya. So let's say you're going in AirAsia, and AirAsia 100% goes to Don Mueang Airport and not to Suvarnabhumi Airport. So if you have not seen my video on transport from Suvarnabhumi Airport to Pattaya, I'll just link it here. Watch this video, guys. Watch my entire Thailand playlist. I've covered almost everything in Thailand. So coming back to our topic, so if you have not seen this Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya video, just check it out. I've shown the exact bus stop, where you can buy tickets, etc. That is covered in this video. Now coming back to our topic, so if let's say you go from Bangalore to Don Mueang Airport, and from Don Mueang Airport you want to reach to Pattaya. So there is a bit of process change where from Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya you get a direct bus from the airport itself. But that facility is not there when it comes to Don Mueang Airport. So as soon as you come out of the immigration in the Don Mueang Airport, you have to wait for the bus number A2. I'll try to link it here. You don't have to ask anyone. You just have to come out and there will be a big pillar which would mention as A2. And you just have to stand there. An A2 bus will come and you have to board the bus number A2 and you have to go to Mochit. So Mochit is kind of a centralized bus stand in Bangkok, like how it is Majestic is there in Bangalore. So it's a very huge bus stop, almost close to Majestic, like how it is in Bangalore. It's a very huge bus stop and a very centralized bus station. So when you go from Don Mueang to Mochit, and there you can find a counter where it says bus to Pattaya. So you can just get down in Mochit, go to that bus counter in Mochit bus stand, and then board the bus to Pattaya. So this is all, guys. So if any confusion here, do ping me on Instagram for immediate response. My only request is try to watch this video completely without skipping the video so that you gain maximum information. So it's very clear. You get on in the Don Mueang Airport, you board the bus number A2 and you go to Mochit, and from Mochit you take another bus to Pattaya. Like as you can see on my screen, the screen time is roughly around 4 hours 22 minutes from Don Mueang Airport. In terms, even on exchange, it would take roughly about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, and the cost for the bus is around 120 Thai baht. So whether it is from Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya, it's around 120 to 150 with Thai baht. That price keeps varying. Last time when I went, it was in August 2022, it was 120 Thai baht. But prior to that, when I went in 2019, it was 155 Thai baht. So I'll try to link the exact price here, but it is around 120 to 150 Thai baht, where you can go from Mochit to Pattaya, or from Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya. It's almost the same cost. And from Don Mueang to Mochit, it would cost you somewhere around 15 to 20 baht, depending upon the bus rates in Thailand and what's changed and what's not changed. So that would be the bus rate. So this is the easiest way, guys. You don't have to ask anyone. You don't have to go in taxi, because taxis are very expensive. It's around maybe 2,000 to 3,000 baht they charge taxi from Don Mueang to Pattaya, because Don Mueang Airport is a bit interior airport, and a lot of frequency is not there between Pattaya to Don Mueang. If it is Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya, there is a lot of frequency in bus communication. Also the taxi service, everything comes at a lower cost when you're going from Bangkok to Suvarnabhumi. But if you're going from Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya, when you're going from Don Mueang to Pattaya, this is a very easy process. Get down in Mochit, exchange the bus, and then go to Pattaya. I really hope this information was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, do ping me on Instagram for immediate response, or comment in the comment. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. So I hope this video was informative. I'll catch you guys in my next video.